We have a new fragrance flower. It's part of our Lilo and Stitch collection, and it comes in the shape of a hibiscus flower. I'm going to use that today with our standard fragrance flower oil because the one that comes with it is colored oil, and I wanted to play with using Sharpies today. So this is the new fragrance flower. I'm just going to remove it carefully. This is the first time I've seen this. The stem is pretty sturdy, so don't have to worry too much about breaking it. I'm going to take the yellow marker and start to put some yellow on the stem because when it draws up the oil, it will move the color around the flower and make it really beautiful. We're going to use some red on the outsides. I'm not really sure how much I need to apply. I'd like it to really color the petals itself, but they're kind of big. So I'm going to start with doing the edges just like this. This is the standard oil that comes with our regular fragrance flowers. So here's day 1, day 2, and day 3. Beautiful.